Good day, everybody. It's Chase. Brunner, how you doing today? I got a package from Barczyk right here, and Bubby's gonna help me unbox it. Here you go, Bub. You want to try to help me? I got you some kid scissors right here, so they're not sharp for him. Let's see if we can cut it right here and see what he got for us. There you go. Good job. Good job. There you go. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got. We're about to try it. Ooh, we getting it. Go, Bubby, go. Don't go too deep in it. We don't know when we're cutting open. Slide it. Try to slide it. Try to slide it. With the scissors. Okay, you want to help him? There you go. There you go. Good. Yeah, he got it open. Alright, we're about to see what's in this box. Let's open it up and check it out. You got it? Alright, let me get this side open. What? What we got? Let's move around so they can see. What? Reptile Prime. We're about to try this out and see how good it is. We'll let you know in some other videos how our animals are doing with it and see if it's any better than using aspen bedding. If it ain't no better, then we're just gonna keep using the same stuff. But if it seems pretty good, then we're gonna try this stuff on some of the animals that probably need more humidity. And this is, let's see, this is 100% organic made and eco-friendly, biodegradable. So this is good for the earth and everything, earth-friendly. So if you throw any of this out outside in the yard after you clean out, it's perfectly fine. And it's all from coconut fibers and just coconut premium bedding, Reptile Prime. It says it's great for tortoises, turtles, spiders, geckos, snakes, crabs, and frogs. So I guess we're gonna try it out and see what happens, see if they love this more. What you think? You like this?
Yeah.
Look at him, we got a big retic. What? We got a retic too. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Tell them bye, Bubby.
Bye.